Hi there, I'm Uncle Pepper, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, you will learn what do you feel like eating? What do you feel like drinking? So, let's do it. So we're going to do question and then I'll provide you with the answer. What do you feel like eating for dinner? Okay, what do you feel like eating? I feel like pizza, or I feel like some fried noodles. I feel like some chicken. I feel like pizza. I feel like fried noodles. I feel like a sandwich. 所以你被问到，就是人家问你时候 ，What do you feel like eating？ 你想吃什么 ？OK， 基本上 What do you feel like eating or drinking？ 就是你想喝什么，你想吃什么 ？OK，I feel like Coca-Cola. I feel like a latte. I feel like some noodles. I feel like steak. I feel like some fried chicken. 就是我想吃，我想喝什么 ？I feel like eating. 那个 eating 可以说，也可以不说，都可以。I feel like eating pizza. 还是 I feel like pizza. So, one day, your friend asks you, "Hey, I'm hungry. Let's go eat." All right? Or, "Hey, I'm thirsty. Let's go out for a drink, or a beverage, a coffee or something." And you can answer, "Sure. That sounds good." What do you feel like eating? What do you feel like drinking? Okay? I feel like pizza. Okay, let's go. Or I feel like some fried chicken. Or I feel like some dumplings. Alright, dumpling sounds good. Sounds real good. Let's go. 所以你今天有学到 What do you feel like drinking? 还是 What do you feel like eating? And then the answer, I feel like 什么东西 I feel like pizza. I feel like some fried noodles. I feel like some coffee. Okay? I'm Uncle Pepper. Thanks for joining me tonight, and we'll see you in our next video. Remember, wear a mask, be good to each other, be kind to each other, and you guys, peace out. Bye.